Hello everybody, it's Mr. Tim! And we are back again today with another story. In fact, a disgusting story. Now, you might have noticed already, we have a pile of poo. That's right, today we're going to talk about poo. Yuck. Now in the story, we have Bob. And he is a cleaner. His job is to clean up all the dirty things in the zoo. Now, it is disgusting, but we have to respect people like Bob because he is the one that helping us making the environment clean. So, let's get right into it and see what's happening with Bob and the poo today. Poo in the zoo. By Steve Smallman and Ada Gray. Little Bob McGrew was a keeper at the zoo. Looking after animals was what he loved to do. But it wasn't always fun because Bob was the one who had to push a cart around and shovel up the poo. There were tiger poo, lion poo, prickly porcupine poo, plummeting giraffe poop that landed with a splat, dollops and new poo, bouncing kangaroo poo, a trail of drippy droppings from a fat wombat. Flying bits of bat poo. Crikey, whose is that poo? A pongy pat of panda poo, steaming on the sand. And Monkey always threw his as fast as he could do his. So no one had a clue where his poo might land. Bob felt dizzy. He was far too busy with big jobs and little jobs all around the place. Then he slipped on a banana while mucking out iguana, and it ran off, a very greedy grin upon his face. The lizard caused hysteria inside the cafeteria, climbing on the counters, eating everything he saw. 11 lime lollies, all the cakes from off the trolleys. A pepperoni pizza, and then sandwiches galore. Iguana's bulgy belly started wobbling like a jelly. Ooh, he groaned. I don't think I could eat another bite. Then his greedy little eyes saw some sparkly fireflies. So he gobbled them up too, because he fancied something light. Iguana said, "Uh-oh." As his bum began to glow, he pulled a funny face and plopped a poop upon the floor. But Iguana's jaws soon dropped when he saw the poop he'd plopped. And he ran back to his cage where Bob was waiting by the door. Bob turned around and saw something glowing on the floor. A poo that shone so brightly it was lighting up his face. No creature in the zoo has ever done a glowing poo. He whispered to himself, "It must have come from outer space." Soon, Everybody knew about the new Pooh in the zoo, and people flocked to see the interplanetary poop. Then a man in a cravat and a sparkly blue top hat said, "Hello there, Mr. Zookeeper. My name is Hector Gloop." "I'm like you," said Hector. "I'm another Pooh collector. I collect exotic poo-poos. I've got quite a big selection. I want the world to see how amazing Pooh can be. Please climb aboard my Pooh museum. I'll show you my collection." "I've got a pile of Yeti Pooh and some that's like spaghetti Pooh. A smoking pile of Dragon Pooh. They are very hard to find. A mammoth Pooh in ice. Oh, and this one's very nice. It's a massive pile of poo-poo from a dinosaur's behind. I've got huge Poohs, tiny Poohs, crusty Poohs, and shiny Poohs. Every kind of poo-poo you could ever wish to see. Well, I've got some dodo and doo-doo, but not glowing Pooh like you do. Oh, I've simply got to have it. Will you sell your Pooh to me?" So, Bob sold the poop to a happy Hector Gloop, and he spent all the money on the robot. Pooper Scooper. Well, it whizzes around the zoo and it picks up all the poo. And for Bob and all his animals, life is super duper. Here we are, children. Another funny story. I love this book. Not very often we can talk about Pooh, right? Disgusting. So that's it for now. Hopefully you enjoyed the story. And if you did, please smash the like button and share the story around for those who like to listen. For now, goodbye, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.